In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1098T to TurboTax. If you need to enter your education tax information so you can report tuition, expenses, or scholarships correctly, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get to the section where you can begin entering your Form 1098T information. Start by going to your TurboTax return and looking at the top navigation area. From there, hover over the Deductions and Credits tab. This section is where TurboTax groups together tax breaks related to things like education, medical expenses, charitable donations, and other deductible items. Since Form 1098T is tied to education expenses and possible education credits, this is the right place to begin. Once the menu appears, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This takes you into the main overview page for all deduction and credit categories in your return. If you've already entered some information in this area, you may see other sections listed as well. Don't worry if the page looks a little busy at first. The goal here is simply to get to the education-related category. On the summary page, find and click Expenses and Scholarships, also labeled Form 198T. This is the section TurboTax uses for education expenses reported by a college or university. The 1098T form is commonly used to help determine whether you may qualify for tax benefits such as education credits, so it's important to select the correct category before entering any details. After opening that section, click Start. This begins the interview for your education information and lets TurboTax guide you through entering the amounts from your form. From here, you'll typically be able to input the information exactly as it appears on your 1098T, along with any related scholarship or qualified education expense details. As a quick tip, before you start entering anything, it helps to have your Form 1098T in front of you so you can copy the information carefully and avoid mistakes. Make sure the numbers match your form exactly, and take your time when reviewing each screen. If your school issued the form electronically, it can also help to open it in another tab or have a downloaded copy ready. That's all you need to do to reach the 1098T entry section in TurboTax. Once you click Start, you'll be ready to continue with the education portion of your tax return.